Okay, let's take a look how perspective works. Here's a bottle cap. We set it on the table. We set our camera up so it lines up with the middle of the table, so you can look right down it. Now we're going to turn on the video camera, and we're going to slide the bottle cap down. Now take a look at the bottom right corner. See when you slide it away from the camera, how it shrinks from the bottom up. And now when we go back to the camera, we can zoom in, and there's a bottle cap again. So that's how perspective works. Just like these telephone poles. The road's basically flat, but the telephone poles are shrinking from the bottom up. And as you go away from you, they shrink from the bottom up until you can't see them anymore. And just like the bottle cap, when a sailboat sails away and you can't see it anymore, it's shrunk from the bottom up, you can zoom in and bring it right back again. That's because the water's flat. And if a sailboat sailed over a curve, you wouldn't be able to zoom back in and see it, right? So my friend sends me this photo and he says, look, these windmills are over the curve. And I'm like, no, if you have a super zoom camera, you can zoom in and bring the bottom back in again. If you have enough zoom. That's because water scientifically lays flat. Now the sun does the same thing. It moves away from us and it sets due to perspective. Now as long as you don't let it get too far away, you can zoom in and it'll unset, showing you that it's not going behind a curve. A little bit of perspective goes a long way. And just like these telephone poles, the poles have a straight line going straight to the ground. The sun does the same thing. When the sun rises and the sun sets, it makes a straight line to the ground, just like the telephone poles. Here's a full day time lapse. See how the sun goes up on an angle, and then it comes down on an angle. That's how perspective works. Now, if we lived on a ball, this is what would happen. The sun should be making an arc.